Good morning students, Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are fine. And students, today we are going to complete the remaining part of our chapter. Okay. So, on that day, up to where we have completed, beta? When Dronacharya called his student, na? Yes. Who was the student? Arjun. From that we are going to start today. Okay. In that what happened that we are going to see. What happened first? When Dronacharya called Arjuna, what had happened that we are going to read now. Arjun, get ready and take aim. What the Guruji told to him? That get ready and take aim. Who said this? Dronacharya. And said to whom? Arjun. He told him to what? Get ready and take aim, he told. Then Arjuna carried out the order of his Guru and waited for his command. So when his Guruji told him na, that when you are ready, take aim करके जब उन्होंने कहा, तो what he thought, what he did after that, means he was listening what his Guruji is going to tell him, and he is waiting for his command. When he will give me the command, I will perform what he said to me. Okay. Then Drona, tell me, what do you see now? Arjun, means as the Guruji asked to each and every student na, what they have to do. In the same way, he asked to whom? He asked to Arjun also, that what you are able to see now. मीन्स जैसे बाकी बच्चों ने देखा क्या चीजें हैं, कौन सी चीजें उन्हें दिख रही है वहां से, तो तुम्हें क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? अर्जुन, गुरुजी asked to Arjun that what you say now, tell me that what you are able to see. So what Arjun said to sir, sir, I see only the right eye of the bird. Means क्या कहा उसने? What answer did the student give to the sir? That sir, I am able to see only the right eye of the bird. Yes, I am able to see only the right eye of the bird and not the other things. Then what Drona sir did again? What about the bird, its head and the branch on which it is placed? Means he asked, he was trying to know what he is going to reply. So what he asked him again, that are you able to see the bird, then head, and then even the branches of the tree on which they are placed now, where that bird is kept. Are you able to see the other things on the bird also, or that up of the tree or what? So what he replied then? उन्होंने जब पूछा कि क्या तुम्हें बर्ड का हेड दिखाई दे रहा है, बर्ड दिखाई दे रहा है क्या? What answer the Arjun gave to his sir? Arjun said, sir, I see nothing else except the right eye of the bird. यानी मुझे और कोई चीज नहीं दिखाई दे रही है except the right eye of the bird. I can see only and only the right eye of the bird. So Drona sir, what happened to him? With a great sense of satisfaction जब उन्होंने जब Arjun ने आंसर दिया, when Arjun gave the answer he was satisfied by hearing this, and then he told to Arjun that shoot, means अभी आप बाण चला सकते हो, आप शूट कर सकते हो. In the twinkling of an eye, the bird falls down to the ground with a thud. Arjun's arrow is there in its right eye. For a moment, there is a hush all around. Then suddenly, all the praise cheer Arjun for his extraordinary feat. Drona goes to Arjun and blesses him. Means when the Guruji told him to shoot, where he told to shoot? To shoot the bird, Yes. So when he told to Arjun to that shoot the bird, so what happened then? जैसे ही उसने तीर चलाई तो क्या हुआ, उसका नतीजा क्या हुआ, that it directly went into the right eye of the bird and it fell down ना, वो बर्ड नीचे आके गिर गया। तो पहले थोड़ी देर के लिए सब बहुत एकदम आश्चर्यचकित हो गए और वो देखने लग गए। एंड आफ्टर दैट दे वर वेरी मच हैप्पी आल्सो एंड दे वर मिस यस दे सडनली प्रिंस मिस चीयर फॉर द अर्जुन, कि देखो अर्जुन के लिए चीयरिंग करने लग गए कि अरे वाह, उसने तो जो उस सर ने टेस्ट दिया था उसमें वो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से पास हो गए। Then Drona goes to Arjun and bless him, and by seeing all this result na, Dronacharya was also happy and he came near to the Arjun and he blessed him. वो उनके पास गए और उनको bless करने लग गए। Drona said, "Bravo, Arjun." Means he was saying that, "Bravo, Arjun, you have passed the test." What he said to Arjun? That Arjun, you have passed the test. And Drona looked at the prince and addresses them. And when he gave the answer, after giving to him, he addressed to all the prince and he addressed them. Drona, what he said? Dear disciples, it wasn't just a shooting test. Means it was just not a shooting test. It was a test to test the power of your concentration. About what he was taking the test, it was not a test only to test the bird, but that test was for the power of each and every student's concentration. About that the sir had decided to take the test now. So he said that was the test of power of your concentration. Arjun concentrated so well that he was nothing but the target. Means as all the students were able to see the different things also, but what the Arjun had did, he has only aimed at the target. उसने क्या किया था, वो यहाँ देखना वहाँ देखना सब जगह देखते रहे, तो उससे कभी हमें टारगेट मिल सकता है? नो, वी कांट गेट दैट प्रॉपर टारगेट ना। If we want to give the 100% for our target, now we have to concentrate on that thing only. We should not look here and there. अगर आप एग्जाम के लिए भी जब पढ़ते हो तो पहले बुक्स पे फोकस करना चाहिए। यहाँ देख के पढ़ोगे, वहाँ पे देख के पढ़ोगे तो उससे क्या होता है, आप आधा भूल जाते हो। हमेशा कंसंट्रेशन दे के ही पढ़ना चाहिए। ओके? The right eye of the bird. And what was his target? What was Arjun's target? The right eye of the bird. उसने कहीं पे भी फोकस नहीं किया, उसने अपना टारगेट रखा था कि हमने जो सर ने हमसे बताया था क्या करना है, तो उसने उसी पे फोकस किया। और उन्होंने क्या किया, he hit exactly at the right eye of the bird ना, वो ओरिजिनल बर्ड नहीं था, वहां पे रखी हुई थी, वो सच का बर्ड नहीं था, हाँ नकली था। असली बर्ड को उन्होंने टारगेट देने के लिए नहीं बोला था। ओके, देन यू कैन ऑल्सो डू द सेम थिंग इफ यू ऑलवेज फोकस ऑन द टारगेट। फिर सर ने क्या बताया कि जैसे अर्जुन ने अपने टारगेट पे फोकस किया था, और आप सबको भी अपने जो टारगेट को पाना चाहते तो आपको हमेशा फोकस होना चाहिए। विच एवर टारगेट यू वांट ना, यू हैव टू फर्स्ट व्हाट, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन दैट थिंग व्हाट यू वांट, एंड देन ओनली यू हैव टू टारगेट टू इट ना, विदाउट knowing and without except looking here and there, you can't get the target. You have to focus. So in this way, as sir explained to all the students that what they have to do, what they have to learn, and what they have decided it was all explained by the sir, that what they have to do when they have the test, they must have their proper target. They have to just look on that target and not at the other things. If they focus on the target, they will get the right result also. So in this way, student, Today we have completed our chapter also. So you also open your book, read, write and try to understand the chapter. Okay students, so bye and take care.
Come down for uniform.